What are the closing costs for a second mortgage? If you are considering a second mortgage, you might be wondering about the costs involved when closing the deal. Understanding these costs is essential for anyone looking to invest in real estate. So, what are the closing costs for a second mortgage? Let's break it down. Closing costs typically range from 2% to 6% of the loan amount or property purchase price. These costs are separate from your down payment and include various fees and expenses that come into play at the closing of the mortgage transaction. First up, we have lender fees. These can include loan origination fees, which are charged for processing your loan, as well as credit report fees and appraisal fees. Since second mortgages are seen as higher risk, especially for investment properties, lenders may charge higher fees compared to first mortgages. Next, there are title and escrow charges. Title insurance is important as it protects against disputes over property ownership. This is crucial for investors who want to secure a clear title. Escrow fees cover the cost of a third-party service that manages the funds and documents during the closing process. You will also need to consider property taxes and insurance. At closing, buyers usually pay a prorated portion of property taxes and upfront homeowners insurance premiums. For second homes or investment properties, these insurance costs may be higher due to increased risk. Home inspection and appraisal fees are also part of the closing costs. A thorough home inspection is advisable, especially for investment properties, to identify any potential repair costs. Lenders requiring an appraisal to confirm the property's market value, which can affect loan approval and terms. Additionally, there may be other fees to keep in mind. These can include survey fees, transfer taxes, and homeowners association fees if applicable. If your second home or investment property is in a planned community, you might face higher homeowners association fees or transfer taxes. From a real estate investing perspective, it is important to factor these closing costs into your total investment budget. They can impact your cash flow and returns, so many investors try to negotiate or minimize these costs where possible. Some lenders may even allow you to roll closing costs into the loan amount, but keep in mind that this will increase your loan balance and the interest paid over time. In summary, closing costs for a second mortgage can be a significant upfront expense, often ranging from 2% to 6% of the loan or purchase price. These costs include various fees related to loan processing, property evaluation, insurance, taxes, and legal protections. It is essential to account for these costs to ensure accurate financial planning for your investment.